Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we're going to be learning how you can make the 4K effect in CapCut. So let's just import a video onto our timeline, and you can see this is quite dull and the colors looks really low and this is not sharp at all, and we are going to be making it really nice. So for that, what we can do is first create an adjustment layer on top. So you can see we have this adjustment option. Simply drag and drop it on top of your video. You can create these multiple if you want to separate your effects. So I'm going to be applying all my effects on this adjustment layer. We are on our adjustment layer section, and now from here we need to increase the blue tone of the video, and after that we need to increase the hue towards green, increase the saturation. So you can see it is started to already look way better, and we can just move to a different section so we can see the trees much better, and increase the brightness and increase contrast a lot. So you can see it is looking really nice. We can decrease the shadows so it adds much more depth inside our videos. So you can see we have shadows, we're going to be decreasing them similar to as highlights, and we're going to be increasing illumination a little bit. Now finally, the sharpen filter is the most important one, which will add some sharpening to our filter, and finally we can add dark vignetting. So you can see this is our video and this was our previous video. So quite a difference. So I really recommend you doing this, and I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with the friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.